Good morning, this is John of Art. Finally, there's the light. I'll backtrack so you will see first light here at Marlborough Country. This is first light, and you can't even see the light in my camera. Good morning, 4:30 in the morning. I can't describe to you in full detail what I see here, but it's just so beautiful. Cool breeze. It's so cold out here. 5 o'clock in the morning. We are catching the sunrise here. Now the sun is coming out. There are no buildings out here, but I can see some construction going on. There's a shanty there for your breakfast. And wow, there's still the moon. So there's the sunrise and the moon set. What a bonus. During the Burr months, it's late in the morning. And then during the summer, they come out, the sunrise comes out early, around that time. Okay, so we still have an hour. The sunrise with the moon in here. So we have the moon here and sunrise right in front of us. Bonus. What a bonus indeed, because the moon is right above us as well. So wow. 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 It's getting brighter and brighter now. This is the view from another vantage point. We have other tourist mates here. And this is what they call Marlborough Country. Maybe because it looks like Marlborough Country. Very picturesque, no people except for annoying tourists sometimes. Sometimes not considerate, being noisy and spoiling the mood. That's the hill where I've been. Too many tourists, and look at them, that's why I'm running away from them and they're coming after me. Ow. The moon is still over there, and look at this view. So gorgeous. So tourists, if you're coming over here to Sagada and enjoy the sunrise, please don't be annoying. Okay, this is Joan of Art saying good morning to all of you. Just be considerate. Noisy tourists!